we decided to have the pumpkin patch come to Liberty. Since we're virtual, our kindergartners usually get to go on a field trip. It's usually their first field trip. And since we couldn't do that field trip, we decided to bring that field trip here to Liberty Elementary School. We went to Bywater Farm. We picked up the pumpkins there, and we've had them scattered in the yard here for the kids to come and pick up the pumpkins. And then we also added in a little bit of fall festivities. We have different games for them to play. We've got it spaced out for them to visit each little center activity, and they're all fall related, and they get little prizes and have lots of fun.
They told us they were going to have a pumpkin patch, and that we had a very small little fee to pay for a pumpkin, and we just had to turn it in by a certain date, sign up for a time to come. Super simple, and I had no idea it was going to be so exciting and all these fun things here.
Well, being in the situation we're in where the students cannot be in the building, my kindergarten teachers, they're always so creative and always trying to think of things to do to engage the kids and to make this whole experience a good experience for them. And so they are the brains behind all of it. I'm so proud. I'm so proud and so excited for these kids. Like, I've seen kids come in all day and their families, and they've had so much to offer them to do with the games and the photo op and the snack that they're leaving with, and it's just, I'm so happy that they did it, and just so happy for our students.
Our teachers, both for this event and for virtual learning, are putting in a lot of time, and it's because we care about the kids, and it's so that they can be successful.
They get to see each other online, but it's absolutely not the same when they're together. You know, my son was very excited to actually see all of his friends and all of his classmates. He kept saying, I get to see my real school, I get to see my real school. And, you know, his teachers are like movie stars to him because he just sees them online instead of seeing them in person. It's magical for him. I just want to say thank you to the teachers. It's absolutely unbelievable the amount of work and added stress that they're under. And we as a society really need to come together for the teachers as much as they're coming together for the kids.